welcome back to my channel. This is Rishi again. Today I'm back with some more flags and some more countries. And what are you waiting for? Let's get started. This is the national flag of France. The capital of France is Paris. The national bird and animal is Gallic rooster. The national game is football. Moving on to the next country is Argentina. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. The national bird is Rufus Horneo. Cool. The national game is pato. Moving on to the next flag is Egypt. The capital of Egypt is Cairo. The national bird and animal is the steppe eagle. The national game is football. Moving on to the next country. It is South Africa. The national flag of South Africa. The capital of South Africa is Cape Town. The national animal is the springbok. The national bird is the blue crane. So South Africa has two national games. One is the rugby, the other one is cricket. Moving on to the next flag. It is Mexico. The capital of Mexico is Mexico himself. The national bird and animal is the golden eagle. The national game is Chairia. Moving on to the next flag. It is New Zealand. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. The national animal and bird is kiwi. The national game is rugby. Moving on to the next flag. It is Italy. The capital of Italy is Rome. The national animal is Italian wolf. The national bird is Italian sparrow. The national game is football. This is the national flag of Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. The national bird and animal is the Rufous bellied thrush. Rufous bellied thrush. The national game is football. Moving on to the next country. It is Spain. The capital of Spain is Madrid. The national animal is bull. The national bird is the Spanish emperor eagle. The national game is football. Moving on to the next flag. Hope you guys enjoyed this facts about countries. Thank you for watching. Bye.